Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside DLF Phase 2. This is in the heart of the city where we're standing at this time. We are near to the MG Road. This location is connected to the main MG Road. This is connected to the Cyber City, and this location is also connected with the Golf Course Road, and none other than the beautiful destination which takes you towards the NH8. This plot size is 400 square yards, and the configuration of this house is 4-bedroom hall kitchen. This property has a beautiful floor plan with beautiful fixtures with 7-star amenities inside this house on the same level. So let's get started to cover up this property now. जहाँ पर मैं अभी खड़ा हूँ, the place where I'm standing right now, this is the formal living space of the house, which is beautiful, which is splendid. The kind of work which is done in terms of the construction, this is mind-blowing. This has no second thought. This surface that you see where I'm standing, it's all Italian. It's all Italian. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से काम करा है, बहुत साफ सफाई से काम करा है. Towards my left, this is all marble work done here. This is an engineered wood that you see on the left hand side. In this engineered wood, in the middle you've got the glass mirror, which is a black color toughened glass. Again, you've got the same material used on the right hand side, since this is a design given on the left and on the right hand side once you enter inside the formal living space. You talk about the ceiling design. The ceiling design is square in shape and has got 2 partitions in 2 splits in 2 halves. This is a wooden console, a wooden design given on the corners. A moving huge board is given. बहुत मोटी बोर्ड का एक, जिसको कहते हैं कि एक बोर्ड लगाया हुआ है इधर. ये प्लाई नहीं है, पूरा का पूरा वुडन बोर्ड लगाया हुआ है ऊपर में. एंड दिस सीलिंग हैज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइन, ग्रुपिंग करा हुआ है सीलिंग के अंदर. एंड you've got, you know, the LED lights recessed on the corners of this ceiling. Towards on my right hand side you'll see the marble work which I just mentioned you, which has APE sheets encrypted inside it on the borders and the designing. This is the Daikin air conditioning system that you'll get. This is again the marble work, the stone, natural stone work done on this wall, which is gonna be running, you know, it's like यहाँ पर आपको एक लाइट दी जाएगी इंस्टॉल करके. This will act as an to keep your false trees. यहाँ पर भी same design है आपका. This is APE sheet. Again, towards my left you'll see a glass. This can be removed on the customer's discretion if they're willing to remove it and they want to combine the formal living space with the dining space of the house. So this can be removed. As of now, this glass is installed to bifurcate the formal living space cum dining space of the house. This is a glass channel which is given here at the entrance of the formal living space. Again, you've got the glass on the right hand side, which is just the partition. Towards in the front of the house, there is a balcony which is connected with the house. The quality of this door size window that you see, this is a fixed window which has a casement sliding door. Towards in the front, this is the running balcony. एक बारी आके भाई balcony में आ जाइए आप. This is the running balcony of the house. This running balcony has a natural stone on the surface. You've got the aluminium work. This is like toughened glass with the railing which is given here, and this is commonly connected with the kitchen of this house and the first bedroom of the house. So the balcony that we are at, you share it with 3 sections of the property. The first would be the formal living space, the second would be the kitchen, and third would be the first bedroom. There is also a wet area given here. You've got the tap that's the wet area. This is your cylinder nozzle. If you keep your gas cylinder, these are all modular switches by Crabtree. This is the drainage vessel which is given here. Towards my right, you'll see again aluminium railing which has a toughened glass, and you'll see there is a property adjoining this house which is very beautiful. They've made it like whole grass. Okay, over the wall that I see, you've got the tiling work on the wall, and on the surface you've got the natural stone. Front आपको थोड़ा सा दिखा देते हैं, अभी cover up करा हुआ है. Let's not reveal the front of the house. Why? Because this is covered for time being, since the property is getting ready to move in. So another 10 days you'll see this sheet is gonna be removed. So this property has a lush green, serene nature that you will enjoy early in the morning hours, since we're inside DLF Phase 2, and you see that building which is none other than Nestle, which is named as Nestle a long time back. This is by DLF. So this is the formal living space. You've got all LED recessed lights on this side as well. You've got the LED lights here. This was the formal living space. On the left hand side you'll see a plain wall. This is left for your customization. Approximately this formal living space is good to gather around 15 people approximately. This complete portion is the entrance area. This is the foyer area. यहाँ पर दरवाज़ा है, ये पूरा foyer area है. Towards my right hand side you'll see this engineered wood. On the left hand side you'll see this is a plain wall left for the customization. Ceiling पूरा का पूरा glass का दिया हुआ है, which has got LED lights inbuilt inside this complete glass. इसमें फॉल सीलिंग का डिज़ाइन आप देखेंगे रेक्टेंगुलर है, और पूरा का पूरा LED recessed lights आगे तक जारी हैं. So on the surface you'll see this is Italian stone which has the grouping done by the black color. Let's get inside the dining room. This is the dining room of the house. Now this dining room has an advantage. This is a compact dining room. On the left hand side you'll see the air conditioner hung. All modular switches by Crabtree. Again you've got the engineered wood console, a running design which has a black color toughened mirror in the center. Towards my right and towards my left the same design is carried away as it was there in the formal living space of the house. This is again marble work. This is again the same APE sheet. If I talk about the ceiling design, it's square in shape, wooden board का design दिया हुआ है, LED lights, everything is same, it's all recessed. And on the surface you'll see all Italian. This specific place, if somebody is moving from the kitchen to the dining room of the house, this space can approximately accommodate 10 people. A table for 10 can easily be placed here. So the serving towards the formal living space can be done from here. And this is given for this reason itself. So the serving towards the formal living space will be more easier and convenient. This is a natural stone encryption done. On this side towards the front, यहाँ पर मैं engineered wood दिया हुआ है, ताकि सामने से कोई आए तो आपको इधर की privacy आपकी maintain रहेगी. That person will not be visible here who's sitting inside the dining area. This is a natural glass, toughened glass, which has metal sheets and aluminium mixed sheets on the corners. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका transparent दिया हुआ है, so that you can possibly see who's coming to your house from this side. This also has a channel, and before we step out, the ceiling has a beautiful design which has a beautiful fan installed. Let's begin towards the first bedroom of the house, which is next adjoining to the kitchen. This is your passage. This complete portion is the passage, and this is your hallway, the place where we've shown you. Now we have entered inside the first bedroom of the house. On the surface you'll see this is all Italian stone which is used. This portion bifurcates the natural, the wooden flooring which is done here. This is like it comes with a warranty of 10 years. Towards my left, towards my right, you've got a heavy wooden design made on the ceiling as well. और काफ़ी ये durable है, long term चलने वाली है, and this is looking pretty beautiful. On the left hand side you'll see the air conditioning system by Daikin. The ceiling design stays in a square shape. The theme is carried away as it was there in the formal living space and the dining section. So this theme is same. Ceiling का design same है. ऊपर में LED lights हैं. On the right hand side you'll see this is a normal wall which has, you know, the cubicle partitions of APE sheets. These have all modular switches. This wall is set to be empty for your customization. This is also connected with the balcony in the front. This is the front balcony once again. This is a fixed window which has a slider door. This is the front balcony which you'll be sharing in common again with the formal living space and the kitchen. Let's get inside to the closet section. This is your closet. This is all illuminization, LED lights, all sensor. This side as well. पूरा का पूरा रैक्स दिए हुए हैं. देखिए कितना ग्लो कर रहा है लाइट. कई कई जगह जब आप खोलते हैं तो बहुत डल सा लगता है, but this is glowing beautifully well. This is the washroom. A proper glass channel has been given here, which has a glass partition for the wet and the dry area. This is a natural stone. Again, you've got a beautiful vanity by Vitra. All the fittings that I talk about, this is sanitary fittings by Grohe. Geyser दिया हुआ अच्छी कंपनी का रिकॉर्ड का. सीलिंग फैन है ऊपर में. एक छोटा सा सीलिंग डिज़ाइन है. सीलिंग डिज़ाइन के साथ साथ में भी LED लाइट्स चल रही हैं. All on the surface and on the walls, you've got the natural stonework done. Rain head is wall mounted. Commode seat is wall mounted. These are some wires coming out. Don't be amazed and don't be astounded. यहाँ पर में जो running shelf है, false trees आप रख सकते हैं. यहाँ पर आपका lights वगैरह install हो जाएगी. That's your drainage vessel. This is the space to keep your stuff and looks beautiful. Let's get inside the second bedroom of the house from this way. This is the normal space. Once you come inside this place, this will act as a hallway area. Now this has a powder room. If somebody is visiting your house as in your guest, this is the space that they will be utilizing. Despite the fact you ask them to get inside your personal premises, this is well managed and it's beautiful. भाई किसी 5-star होटल से कम नहीं लग रहा है ये पाउडर रूम. पूरा नेचुरल स्टोन है, सरफेस पे भी और वॉल्स पे भी. टाइलिंग वर्क तो है ही नहीं, पूरा का पूरा पत्थर लगा हुआ है. वॉल माउंटेड कमोड सीट, सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स बाय ग्रोहे. दिस इज अ लॉन्ग डीप सिंक. It's a pedestal sink that I would suggest. This is all by Grohe, a beautiful natural stone countertop. Running shelf to keep your upholsteries. This is the place where the mirror will be installed and an LED light. The door quality as well, it's beautiful. It's actually tough. So this is the hallway region. This is the hallway area. ऊपर में ceiling का design देखेंगे. This is square in shape. This has small LED lights installed in the ceiling itself. On the right hand side you'll see the Daikin air conditioner, and above me you see a small ceiling, beautiful big fan. On the surface you'll see all Italian. So let's get inside the second bedroom, which is just opposite to me. This is Italian on the surface. On the left hand side you'll see this is the grouping done on the wall. A small design which is given here. This is the place where you can keep your bed. यहाँ पर में लाइट्स का डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है. ये ऐसे आप बंद कर सकते हैं, ऐसे चालू कर सकते हैं. रात के समय आपको टेबल लैंप की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी या नाइट लैंप की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. यह आपको पूरा का पूरा इल्यूमिनिफाई करेगा. दिस इज़ द Daikin air conditioner. On the left hand side you'll see a plain wall. This is again a plain wall for your customization. This also has a dish wire. You just have to call the satellite guy. He will come and install the dish on the terrace. That umbrella dish, this is pre-installed. इधर में आपका पूरा कंसोल आप डिज़ाइन करके बनवा सकते हैं. You talk about the ceiling design. This is a curved ceiling. जैसे मोबाइल फोन्स में होता है ना curved display, तो ये वैसे डिज़ाइन भी कर्व में दिया हुआ है. और इसमें LED लाइट्स सारी अंदर में लगाई हुई है. You talk about the design which is given here. It's looking magnificent. All LED lights, beautiful LED lights, कोई चुभ नहीं रही है. और surface पे आपका Italian है. Above me you'll see a small fan. This is the second bedrooms का washroom. आपका right hand side में you'll see all closet. Surface पे you've got the Italian stone. ऊपर में सीलिंग का डिज़ाइन नॉर्मल है. दिस इज़ अ वॉल माउंटेड कमोड सीट. यू गॉट द गीजर बाय हैकॉल. दिस इज़ योर चैनल टू एंटर इनसाइड द शावर एरिया. आपका upholstery शेल्फ है यहाँ पर. दिस इज़ योर रेन हेड. ऑल सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स आर बाय जैगुआर. दिस इज़ अ नेचुरल स्टोन, ये टाइल नहीं है. दिस इज़ अ नेचुरल स्टोन इंस्टॉल्ड है. अ ब्यूटिफुल स्पेस फॉर द शावर एरिया. इधर में अगर आप देखेंगे दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल वैनिटी. यहाँ पर में मिरर अभी लगेगा. ये आपका नेचुरल स्टोन दिया हुआ है, काफ़ी थिक है और काफ़ी अच्छा भी बनाया हुआ है, कवर करा हुआ है. आगे में नीचे में कैबिनेट्स दिए. ब्यूटीफुल वैनिटी. ऑल द सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स आर बाय जैगुआर वंस अगेन एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल फिटिंग्स आर बाय क्रैबट्री. जो स्विचेस हैं. This is also connected with the balcony this side at the back. This is the backside balcony of the house, where you can see the externals of the air conditioning system are installed. All the air conditioning system externals are by Daikin. This is your drainage vessel. On the surface you will see it's a granite stone. Railings जो है mostly developers पीछे में metals की ही यूज़ करते हैं. ये पूरा का पूरा पीछे से इनको एडवांटेज मिल गया कि ये पूरा कवर हुआ हुआ है. सेफ्टी मेजर्स लगे हुए हैं. And this is how the back side of the house looks like. This is again a beautiful door handle by Pego. This is casement window. So this was the second bedroom of the house that we have covered. Let's get inside the third bedroom of the house, which is this one. Again, Italian on the surface. The right side you'll see the grouping done inside the wall. LED recessed on the corners. Left wall stays empty. Left wall again stays empty for your customization. Air conditioning system by Daikin. A wooden ceiling given on the roof. Above me you'll see a small fan. A beautiful big size door. This is the dressers area. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका क्लोजेट है इधर से लेकर इधर तक. Now we'll enter inside the washroom. A beautiful natural stone vanity given here by Vitra. रिकॉर्ड का गीजर. सारा का सारा आपका नेचुरल स्टोन का काम हुआ हुआ है. दिस इज अ फिक्स्ड ग्लास फॉर द शावर एरिया. दैट आई विल से रेन हेड वॉल माउंट वो शेल्फ के अंदर ही लगाया हुआ है. उधर फॉल्स्ट्रीज वगैरह भी आप रख सकते हैं. यू कैन कीप योर सोप. This is a small partition one level above the surface, so the wet area stays wet and the dry area doesn't get affected. This is a small ceiling fan given on this ceiling above me. Here you'll see the cabinets given. Let's cover up the fourth bedroom of the house, which is this way. You will use this hallway in common. इधर में अगर मैं होता तो काफ़ी अच्छी सीनरीज प्लेस करता. इधर भी करता. मेरे को मेरा बेडरूम एक मस्त लिविंग साइज है तो अच्छा चाहिए. On the surface, wooden flooring, a designer wooden flooring which is trapezoidal in shape, which is triangular in shape, has a warranty of around 10 years. On the left hand side, a London style grouping done on the wall. This is all the cornice made. Side में आपके LED lights लगाई हुई हैं. Again on the corners, ये illuminify करेंगे यहाँ पर. This is a wooden sheet given. इधर लगाया डिज़ाइन के लिए. इसमें ग्लास भी दिया हुआ है, ब्लैक कलर का मिरर. अगेन ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड यू विल सी दिस इज़ द कॉर्निस डिज़ाइंस ऑन द वॉल. यहाँ पर आप कुछ भी अपना लगा सकते हैं, पेंटिंग वगैरह. इधर में भी कुछ अपनी मेमोरीज़ को आप कैप्चर कर सकते हैं लगा के तस्वीरें. दिस साइड यू विल ऑल्सो सी द सेम डिज़ाइन विच इज़ गिवन टूवर्ड्स दैट साइड. यहाँ पर में एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम दिया हुआ आपका डाइकिन का. दिस इज़ अ प्लेन वॉल. And you talk about the ceiling design stays simple. पूरा का पूरा wood का ceiling है. Above me you will see a small fan. This is a huge size master bedroom. Door quality की बात करेंगे, काफ़ी strong है. This is like a good door handle. This is a transparent wardrobe. So it's looking beautiful. आप ऐसे खोल के इसको देख सकते हैं. ये ग्लास का है. कितना ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है आपका स्पेस. इधर में भी दिस गोस इन द सेम वे. you've got the space to keep your stuff here. बीच में आपका रॉड्स भी दिए हुए हैं हैंगर्स लगाने के लिए. दिस इज ऑन द सरफेस. अ नेचुरल स्टोन इज प्लेस्ड. पत्थर का काम करा हुआ है सरफेस पे. दिस इज योर एग्जॉस्ट फैन. दिस कैन बी यूज्ड एज द शाफ्ट विंडो अगर आप चाहते हैं तो. ये नेचुरल स्टोन पूरा लगाया हुआ है. दिस इज A natural stone countertop, looks like it's an Italian stone. नीचे में आपका cabinetries दिया हुआ है. A long moving vanity on the right hand side. You'll see this is looking enthralling. यहाँ पर आपका wall mount commode seat दिया है. ये running shelf है आपका. Once again you can keep your stuff here. Record का आपका geyser दिया हुआ है. This is again a channel to get inside the shower area. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका upholsteries रखने के लिए जगह बनाया हुआ है. यहाँ पर में आपका सारा पत्थर का काम है. Drainage vessel, sanitary fittings are by Grohe. This has a rain head on the ceiling, and this is again one level above the surface for the wet and the dry area to be maintained. This is the place where an LED light will be placed and the mirror. Maybe either sensor wala mirror lage ya normal lage. This is conditional, but the mirror would definitely be placed here. This was the washroom of the master bedroom. Let's cover up the kitchen part now, which is left. So this is the hallway region, the hallway area. This is the kitchen area. Towards my left hand side you'll see the space to park the refrigerator. Just above where you park your refrigerator, you've got a space to keep your stuff, which has shockers for the fail. You've got a huge space to keep your materials here as well. These all are LED lights installed inside it. This is a natural stone, a beautiful, good quality, a sophisticated natural stone which is stain free. This is by Whirlpool. This is the chimney and the hob is by Whirlpool. The home appliances are pretty, high end. This is again a space to keep your materials. You talk about the surface, you've got the Italian on the surface of this kitchen. ये सारा का सारा आपका सीलिंग डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है. सीलिंग पे you'll see a beautiful square shaped ceiling design which has recessed LED lights once again. साइड में भी LED lights दी हुई है. रोशनी की कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. LED lights जो लॉन्ग मूविंग LED lights हैं ये आपका थोड़ा स्टेन फ्री होती हैं और बहुत ही प्लेजेंट होती हैं देखने में. Towards my left hand side you'll see again the kitchen countertop. This is your oven by Whirlpool. This is your OTG by Whirlpool, and you've got this space that you can utilize, and this as well which has a stainless steel shelf by Highgold. This is the company. So this was the kitchen area. यहाँ पर में आपका सिंक दिया हुआ है. This is like a movable vessel and probably you can rotate it as per your convenience. You can stretch it down. This will go up automatically. You've got the washer's vessel out there, and this way you have the same stuff by Highgold which is installed there in the grooving system. This is where you keep your utensils after you wash it. नीचे में LED lights पूरा दिया हुआ है. On this side you will see the same natural stone has been placed. This has a specific processed spacious space to keep your cutlery. You can also keep your multi-grains, also keep your some more materials out here. This is also connected with the balcony in the front. Now this is the same balcony that you'll be sharing it in common with the formal living space and the first bedroom of the house. So this is in common sharing. Let's be inside now. Finally, we have shown you a beautiful property today. Time to sign off. We're back in the formal living space. You were watching Anupam Gambhir from Estate Experts. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more and more live updates on what we are shooting every single day. We need your feedback. Don't forget to give us your valuable feedback. We're always there for your site visit. If somebody is looking for a site visit in the near future after watching this specific video, don't forget to give us a call on the number listed above and underneath. Thank you so very much. You have a wonderful evening ahead. Bye-bye.